Today we're visiting Spitalfields City Farm, the nearest farm to the City of London, based in Tower Hamlets. Started in 1978 on the site of a former railway goods depot, the original patch of allotments has grown into a successful community farm. Back in 1987, due to a lack of revenue, the farm almost closed. However, thanks to various charitable donations, the farm has remained and now supports 18,000 visitors a year. Spread over a 1.3 acre plot, the farm is free to enter. Open Tuesday to Sunday, 10 AM to 4:30 PM.